Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to find the best drone on Temu. First thing first, head over to your application, get logged into your account. At the top search bar, type in drone and then search. Now it will be displayed depending upon your expectations. If you would like to buy one, make sure they have a legit review. If you search for best drone in Temu, it will say that you should focus on finding the best fit for your needs and budget by looking for drones with high user ratings and checking details specification like obstacle avoidance and camera quality. So likewise, go ahead and make sure that you emphasize on user ratings like the star you see here. So make sure that you only choose the product that has a good rating, and you can also look for some reviews like here, what people are saying about it, and then you can make your decision. This is how you can do it, guys. Thanks for watching.